Hello, every subscriber of THESERA around the globe. My name is Sean. Today I'm going to talk about briefly, about THESERA's masterpiece of non-invasive anti-aging, the L-FTING. This year, THESERA has celebrated its 10th anniversary. In the last 10 years, we literally have been committed to non-invasive, painless, and immediate anti-aging, among which there were THESERA's best-selling products like signature ampoules, L, H, and G kits, and the Arian system. So, 10 years is a pretty long time. At this point, I want to talk about the 10,000 hour principle. It is a theory that if someone is committed to one major field for more than 10,000 hours, which can be simply put to 10 years, he or she becomes an expert in that field. From amateur to professional, from average to great. Now, according to the principle, THESERA also become an expert in the painless anti-aging. We didn't go astray in the last 10 years. We thoroughly committed ourselves in non-invasive anti-aging. We focused ourselves in that one goal, having our own originality and competence. More than anything, THESERA L is the beginning and the present of the THESERA's journey for painless anti-aging for the last 10 years. THESERA invented the first needleless anti-aging kit using melting threads in the aesthetic market. L is the product that shows THESERA's philosophy and technology. And as many of you watching this video already knows, there were a lot of inquiries about having L treatment at home. So, with hundreds of trials and errors, with many data and experience we accumulated in the past, we could develop a new concept of a premium home care product that can bring an identical virtue of the THESERA L's lifting effect, using the same melting chitosan threads. Actually, this product has been already 3 months since its launch, and many people are loving this. However, in the developing process, the journey to the premium home care kit, it was not easy. The most significant challenge was the absorption rate of the chitosan threads. Your skin and my skin also cannot absorb as enough chitosan as the THESERA L makes in a natural circumstances. While the THESERA L uses double capsulated acids to make special penetrations on the skin for the effective absorption of the chitosan threads, the L-FTING is not able to bring the same level of absorption just with topical application, and that brought a limitation to the amount of melting threads we could put in the L-FTING kit. Therefore, while exploring a new ingredient to compensate for the lack of anti-aging effect of chitosan in the L-FTING, we found the spider web protein, a newly spotlighted substance in dermatology. The spider web is a highly biocompatible ingredient for anti-aging, sharing 18 amino acids out of 20 amino acids in the human body, and among them, the amino acid called serine, it promotes the synthesis of a new collagen in our body. And it's pretty famous that the spider web is 5 times stronger than steel in the same thickness. Likewise, in the human body, the spider protein is highly stable and it doesn't easily alter as other ingredients like collagen or growth factors. Also, the spiderweb peptide has a strong water retention. If you check the graph on the right, compared to other humectants like beta-glucan or butylene glycol, the spiderweb protein shows outstanding moisture retention as time goes by. In addition, there are other sub-ingredients in the L-FTING that not only aid skin aging but also prevent aging in advance. A vegan collagen named hydrolyzed extensin, and anti-glycation ingredients like carnosine and resveratrol, they effectively protect your skin cells from aging at the early stage. As a conclusion, with the powerful collaboration of L's key ingredient, which is chitosan, and the next generation anti-aging ingredient, the spider silk peptide, and anti-glycation agents and vegan collagen, the utmost at-home anti-aging kit, the L-FTING, was born. The L-FTING is recommended for most people who want to take care of their skin for anti-aging, people who want a lifting care in their daily lives, people who want easy lifting effect without the burden of medical procedures, people who want young and elastic skin, people who are concerned about traces of time around their eyes, mouth, and forehead, anyone, people who are at any stage of aging can use this, and all of them will be satisfied with the results that the L-FTING can bring.